What's up guys, welcome back. Thanks so much for tuning in. I know it's been a little while since my last video, but I did find a great topic that I want to discuss today, and that is the topic of traveling with your DJI Mavic Mini. A couple weeks ago I traveled to Cartagena, Colombia, and before doing so I looked all over the internet to try to find out exactly what I had to do to travel safely with my DJI Mavic Mini. I googled it, I watched a couple of YouTube videos, but honestly I wasn't 100% sure. I wasn't sure exactly what I had to do. I didn't know if they were gonna take it away, if they were gonna confiscate it, if they were gonna give me any problems. And honestly, I just wanted to fly with absolutely no issues. Now that I came back from Colombia, I actually want to go ahead and make this video. This is exactly gonna outline what to do, how to do it, how to travel safely with your DJI Mavic. When I was traveling with the DJI Mavic Mini, I put it right into my backpack, and I had a gym bag as well. So I was carrying on both of my bags. Wasn't checking anything, so pretty much I put my drone in my backpack, and I also put my iPad in my backpack there as well. So I brought it right in this little carrying case that the DJI Mavic Mini Fly More combo actually comes with. And this is a great bag to just travel with. Unzipped it and I kind of opened it right up just like this, and I put it right into one of those little buckets and I scanned it right on through. So this bag actually has my remote, it has my charging ports with the 3 batteries, has a drone for you as well. So I didn't have to take anything out, I didn't have to explain anything to anybody. I put this in its own separate bucket with my iPad as well, and it was super easy. That was going from Fort Lauderdale to the gate. Now when I arrived in Cartagena, right after you get through the baggage claim, you have to do another TSA, another security checkpoint. And for that, I did the exact same thing. So I went ahead and just unzipped it, opened it right back up, pushed it right on through. He questioned anything, nobody, it was honestly extremely easy. It was easier than I expected it to be, considering the fact that I was kind of nervous prior to traveling just because I didn't know whether it was gonna get taken away or whatnot. I mean, the drone is about a $600 drone. I didn't just want to just kind of lose it or have someone just take it away just because I didn't read enough about traveling with drones. I hope you guys got a little bit of knowledge from this. I hope you guys, if you're thinking about traveling with your drone, I highly recommend it. Of course, the only thing I will say is make sure that you do look up the drone laws in the specific country that you are traveling to. There are a couple of countries that actually don't even allow drones in their country or for you to fly drones recreationally. So just be careful of that. I know there are ways that you can kind of sneak around that. Obviously they won't know if you just have it flying around or whatever, but you definitely don't want to put your drone at risk or in jeopardy just because you are uncautious. Just keep that in mind when it comes to traveling with your drone. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment. If you guys have traveled with other types of drones other than the DJI Mavic Mini, please feel free to share your experiences or share your thoughts on it as well. If you guys haven't liked this video, go ahead and like it. I'm gonna be posting a couple more videos about drones, about stocks, about videography in general, and just overall about my experience with the DJI Mavic Mini. So feel free to subscribe and make sure you guys get all the notifications for that. I wanna say thank you guys again for tuning in, and we'll see you guys next time.
Feel like a beauty ocean, beautiful thing in motion. Mommy, just take me closer. Gal, bring that back. I'm in the Villanueva, chilling the finest of weather. I could just stay here forever. The music is taking over me. It's taking over me. It's taking over me. The music is taking over me. It's taking over me. It's taking over me. Can you feel that? When I try to get away, feel that? The way I move to the bass, feel that? When you move in your waist, feel that? The club going down, feel that? Still feel it when you know, feel that? It don't matter where you're from, feel that? It's like from who you from, feel that? Rockstar, trainer, flexing, Cena. Jump off the plane like Pablo. Guess who's in Cartagena? Let's go. Arriba, la playa, muchas divas. Gonna dance on the top of a chiva. What you expect? I'm an overachiever.
Jaded. Do it, not jaded.
feel like